Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best toy car is probably one of the most exciting and engaging gifts you can choose for a one-year-old boy, offering a world of imaginative play and developmental benefits that will captivate his attention and encourage early motor skills. Imagine the sheer delight on his face as he pushes, pulls, and explores this fantastic toy, fostering his curiosity and providing hours of entertainment as he embarks on countless adventures right in his own living room. This isn't just a toy, it's a gateway to discovery, a tool for learning, and a cherished companion that will be part of his early childhood memories. Number 5. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad, Sprinkler and Baby Pool. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure with our innovative splash pad. It's designed by parents to make learning easy and enjoyable for your little one. Beat the heat with this refreshing inflatable pool, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch them enjoy the cool water and create endless summer adventures. We prioritize your child's safety. This parent-approved outdoor toy is BPA and phthalates-free, ensuring a safe and cool experience in the sun and shade. We believe in the power of play for healthy development. This product offers both educational fun and outdoor play in one amazing water toy. As a proud American company, we are dedicated to the safety and quality of our toys. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to help if you need us. What we like. This water toy is designed for learning through play. It features an educational mat base to help your little one absorb knowledge while having fun. If you are looking for a safe and engaging way to introduce your baby to water play while also supporting their cognitive development, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. My child enjoyed this splash pad very much. My go-to gift for friends/family who want a safe way to beat the heat with their kids in the spring/summer. The kids love it because it's fun and the parents love it because it's a safe way to let the kids who might not be ready for swimming cool off. Number 4. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board Light Blue. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This magnetic drawing board is a fantastic and affordable choice for birthdays or any occasion. It offers endless fun and sparks creativity for your little artist. This toy is more than just drawing, it helps develop essential skills. It enhances hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and imagination, while also being a great tool for learning letters, words, and numbers. Designed with a sturdy, wobble-free construction, this drawing board is built to last. Its adjustable legs ensure a comfortable drawing experience that grows with your child. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this board prioritizes safety. It's BPA-free, has no small parts, and features rounded corners for a secure playtime. Say goodbye to messy crayons and paper. This magnetic board provides an eco-friendly way for your child to create. Wiping away drawings is a breeze, allowing for endless, clean artistic fun. What we like. This drawing board offers a mess-free creative outlet for your child. It helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and color recognition, and its adjustable height makes it comfortable for growing toddlers. If you want a toy that encourages artistic expression without the usual mess of art supplies, this is the perfect option. What people say. The bright colors and different textures are great for sensory exploration. It has a variety of activities that keep little ones engaged for a long time. The sturdy construction means it can withstand rough play from toddlers. Number 3. WETIFY Colorful Lighting Baby Balance Bike. Watch their eyes light up with our amazing balance bike. The colorful rear wheel glows with every spin, no batteries or charging needed. It's pure magic for little ones. Designed for ages 10 to 36 months, this is the perfect first riding toy. It helps build crucial balance, steering, and coordination skills, boosting their self-confidence with every push. Ride with peace of mind. Our design features no pedals, fully widened wheels to protect little feet, and a steering limit to prevent falls. It's built with safety as the top priority. Crafted with a sturdy carbon steel frame, soft non-slip handles, and a comfortable PU seat, it provides a stable and enjoyable ride. Your child will love cruising around every day. Get ready for adventure in minutes. With a simple buckle design, assembly takes just 3 minutes, no tools required. Plus, at only 4.6 pounds, it's easy to take anywhere the fun goes. What we like. This balance bike features fun, light-up wheels that activate with movement, adding an extra element of excitement. It's designed to help your child develop balance and coordination from an early age. If you're looking for a safe, engaging, and easy-to-assemble first riding toy that encourages physical activity, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The quality is great, easy assemble, and he fits on it perfectly. The bike assembles easily. The seat is nicely padded. The light-up wheels are nice. This balance bike is a great choice for toddlers learning how to balance and ride. It's very well made and durable, giving me confidence that it can handle both everyday use and the rough falls that come with learning. The frame feels sturdy and solid, even when used outdoors in different weather conditions. The blue color is vibrant and perfect for boys, and the bike itself is lightweight enough for a toddler to maneuver while still being strong and stable. It's been a fantastic tool for helping build balance, coordination, and confidence at an early age. Number 2. Big cartoon truck car toys for toddlers. Designed with your little one's safety in mind, these toys are made from durable, non-toxic materials. They are built to last and have no small parts, ensuring a safe playtime experience. Each toy features vibrant colors and adorable shapes that are sure to capture your child's attention. These engaging designs help spark their curiosity and encourage exploration. Take the fun wherever you go. The included playmat conveniently folds into a storage bag, making it easy to carry everything along for entertainment on the move. These toys are perfect for little hands to grasp and roll, helping babies develop their balance and coordination. They are ideal learning companions for growing toddlers. Looking for a special present? This set makes an excellent gift for first birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a wonderful surprise for any baby or toddler. What we like. This set comes with a convenient playmat that doubles as a storage bag for the cars, making it incredibly portable. The cars are made from safe, robust materials, ensuring durability for little hands. If you need a toy that is easy to transport and store, and provides multiple cars for imaginative play, this is a great gift idea. What people say. The trucks and cars are the perfect size for little hands. Each vehicle is colorful and the map that doubles as a carrying bag is awesome for quick cleanup or to take traveling. My 1-year-old loves this set. The trucks are colorful and fun, the playmat is soft and engaging, and the storage bag makes cleanup easy. It comes with trucks that are too large to choke on, making it safe for little ones who put everything in their mouth. They are also durable for constant chewing and kids who may be rough with their toys. Number 1. Colorful lighting baby balance bike. Watch the wheels light up with every spin. No batteries needed, just pure, colorful fun for your little one. Designed for little explorers aged 10 to 36 months, this is the perfect partner for learning to walk and ride. It helps build balance, coordination, and confidence. Ride with peace of mind. It features a no-pedal design, a fully widened wheel to protect little feet, and a steering limit to prevent falls. Crafted with a sturdy frame, soft non-slip handles, and a comfortable PU seat, it provides a stable and enjoyable riding experience. Set it up in just 3 minutes with no tools required. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere for playtime. Looking for a unique gift for a 1-year-old? This safe and certified balance bike is a wonderful present for both boys and girls, arriving in a gift box. What we like. This balance bike is designed with safety and fun in mind, featuring light-up wheels that glow as your child rides. It helps toddlers learn to balance and steer, building confidence. If you're searching for a safe, sturdy, and visually exciting first bike that promotes physical development and is easy to assemble, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The back wheels light up as kiddo rolls. It is easy for him, as a 1-year-old, to balance on. Super cute and sturdy little bike. The seat is soft and comfortable, the lights are cute, but it is a tiny little bike. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.